Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fine. My name is Ainhoa, I'm Miguel's wife, and I'll be cooking with you guys two of my favorite Mexican dishes. We're gonna do guacamole and Mexican ceviche. On the next clip, I'm gonna talk to you about all the ingredients and how to pick them. I hope I can see you all guys on Friday. I'm really excited about this. I'll see you then. Okay, so this would be for 3 to 4 servings, or if it's just for munchies or snacks, would be for 8 people, almost 8 people. So what we need is 7 to 8 limes or 3 lemons, whatever you get, it's fine. 1 onion, red onion or white onions. In Mexico, we use the red onions when it's for something that is not cooked. So, but whatever you want to use, it's fine. Fresh cilantro. We need 7 to 8 tomatoes. They have to be ripe but firm. We need 1 big cucumber or 2 medium cucumbers. We need 3 to 4 avocados. The avocados have to be firm, but that you can still feel like your finger is denting a little bit. It is better to get them with a smooth skin, okay? And then you have to find the little belly here where you look how it is inside. So that's a good color for a good avocado, okay? Then we need, it depends on how hot you want it. You can get 1 habanero or 2, it depends, or 1 or 2 jalapenos. If you don't want to add it, it's fine. And at the end, we need the fish. It has to be white fish. You have to look at this. It's about 1 finger thick. Just look for the fish to have no bones and no skin, and not the meat has not to be flaky. Okay, just regular white fish. And some tortilla chips. If you cannot find those, you can find the regular tortillas, corn tortillas. You can just cut them in fourths and fry them, and that's it. That's what we have here. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know. I can answer any question on the email. And I was also asking, it would be nice if we could all have cold beer after finishing the class, and we can have some time to talk and chat and see how the class went, and if you have any questions, it would be just fun. Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing you guys, meeting you all, and just have fun. Thank you.